Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft OneNote for writing and adding notes. So first you can add a new note by clicking on the plus in the bottom left side. This is a new note and this is how you can add a title to it. You can add text by simply tapping on the screen and the keyboard will show up. And by tapping on the two arrows in the upper right corner, you can zoom in and out the page. By clicking the arrow in the up left corner, you can have more information about your notes. On the ribbon, you will find home icon that enables you to write in your page. In the home icon, you can choose the font, size, and color. And you can also choose whether to highlight it or not by pressing the B icon and choose, of course, the highlighter's color. You can make it italic and underlined as well. The styles icon can help you change the font of your writing. You can zoom in and out by your two fingers as well. By the alignment icon, you can make the writing in the right, left, or center. And you can choose the place where the writing starts, right or left. By the tag icon, you can add tags and reminders to your writings. In the ribbon, you will find insert icon, which enables you to add tables, pictures, audio, files, PDF printout, and equations. This app is also used for drawing. You can control it by the drawing mode. There are different drawing tools and you can use your favorite color and pen to draw with. By the text mode in the up left corner, you can add text while drawing. Moving on to the view icon that helps you to edit the page itself by changing color, paper style, lined, plain, and so on. Spelling can be checked by the icon on the up left corner. I hope this tutorial was beneficial and helpful. And thanks for watching.